Hey guys, hope you are doing great. Welcome to this video. Today I've got a super cool and easy tutorial for you. Stick around and enjoy the process. Let's create a new project with a 2000 by 2000 square canvas from the new document window. I've prepared all the assets I used in this project in a zip file, which you can download from the video description below. Now, let's get started. First, I'll drag and drop the lamp into the main document and place it right in the center of the canvas. Next, I'll import the ocean layer, resize it, and clip it to the lamp layer. To do this, I'll place the ocean layer above the lamp layer, select it, hold down Alt key and click between the two layers to create a clipped mask. Once that's done, I'll add a layer mask to remove the parts of the ocean that extend beyond the glass part of the lamp. After that, I'll duplicate the ocean layer by pressing Ctrl+J, clip the duplicate as well, and change the blend modes. Set the top water layer to multiply and set the bottom water layer to linear light. This will make the water look more transparent so the lamp's light can shine through. Now let's add the veil. I'll adjust its size and flip it to the lamp as well. Then I duplicate the veil layer and place the duplicate between the two other layers. After that, I'll tweak the blend modes, set the top veil layer to hard light, set the bottom veil layer to hour light. This makes the part of the veil that's underwater blend in naturally. Next, I select the lamp layer by holding Ctrl and clicking on it. While it's selected, I'll pick the brush tool, choose a blue color, and gently paint over the top part of the lamp. Blend it with the sky. For the sun area, I'll use a lighter shade. Then from the brush panel, I'll pick a star brush ABR5 and tweak it with some effects to make it look like the sun. The rest of the tutorial follows the same simple steps and is easy to follow along with the video. If you have any question or suggestion, drop them in the comments. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it. If you like my content, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my uploads. Good luck and have fun.